Fáilte roimh go léir chuig oíche oscailte Gael Coláiste Mhic We are delighted to welcome you to the Gael Coláiste Mhic Open Night. I hope this presentation gives you a flavour of what school life is like here at GMS. Bunaí Tanavas. Fáilte chuig Gael Coláiste Mhic Gael Coláiste Nua Oscailte a dúsgur Cathair Carcí. Gael Coláiste Mhic was established in response to the unprecedented demand for Irish medium education for girls and boys in our local community. We are delighted to offer a unique educational option on Cork's north side that provides exceptional opportunities through the medium of Irish in a vibrant, progressive and contemporary learning environment. Our campus is situated on an 11-acre site. Our state-of-the-art facilities here at GMS include science laboratories, a STEM room equipped with Apple Mac desktops, a modern sports hall and gym, a school JCSP library and many other specialised rooms. At GMS, we offer a broad-based education and curriculum designed to enable our students to discover their strengths and to make the most of their own individual talents within GMS and beyond. Our aim is to ensure that every student entrusted to our care excels and fulfills their potential, both personally and academically. We offer a wide range of subjects at junior cycle, transition year and senior cycle, including science, home economics, art, music, woodwork, business studies, history and geography, all through the medium of Irish. As an Apple iPad school, we also offer junior cycle short courses to prepare students for 21st century employment, such as coding and digital media literacy. The well-being of our students lies at the core of our curriculum, and student voice plays a key role here in school development. We are exceptionally proud of our dedicated, skilled and multilingual staff who are committed to providing an exceptional educational experience for our students, including the promotion of self-confidence, resilience and integrity through inspiring and innovative teaching.
Tá strategy agsúla curtha a bhaim a going in Gael Coláiste Mhic chun scileanna i bhreachta na scoláirí a Herbert.
Bíonn mór éilimh an tíreolaíocht mar ábhar rónach in Gael Coláiste Mhic. Déanann na scoláirí staidéir an tíreolaíocht Isisceach, Réagúnach agus Gaeilge.
Tá Saorlinn New-Aimsire da eiste againn in Gael Coláiste Mhic buine na scoláirí an taobh as na turgnamh óíochta.
Déanamid orníthil stratéisi éifeachta a chur a bhaim chun an Gaeilge chur chun cinn a meas na naltaí, agus go bhfeicadís mar hanga bheo Chá-Aimsirtha.
We run courses in coding that develop the student's ability to solve problems logically, to design, write and test code through the development of programs, apps, games, animations and websites, and overall to learn about computer science.
Is ábharíochtanach í an Frankis don trachóisireach. Cuireann sunraíocht na Frankise bé mar chumas commerceáide agus feasacht cultúrtha an Dalta.
The Guidance and Counselling Department of the school provides a central role in the student's emotional, social, learning and career development, and the progression of each student to further study and training.
In music, students get the opportunity to learn various instruments and participate in singing activities throughout the school year, with the school choir and various school concerts.
Here in the Woodwork Department at Terence McSweeney Community College, we aim to inspire the next generation of carpenters, joiners, architects, builders and engineers through encouraging independence of thought and design in a supportive and enjoyable environment.
We're looking forward to welcoming you to Home Economics. We are going to learn all about what's healthy to eat, and we're going to learn about nice things to cook. But we're also going to learn about managing your money, and we're going to learn about sustainability and how important it is for us and the environment.
In our rangana alíana, ní a bhain go mbíonn na scoláirí cruthaach ach fabhla mbíonn siad faoin deanga criticúil agus faoi cultúr agus léirthuiscint amhrac.
With a range of sporting facilities here at the school, students of Terence McSweeney and Gael Coláiste Mhic can experience a broad and exciting curriculum.
We are dedicated to our students' academic and holistic development. We work to instil each student with a true sense of self-worth, encouraging their individual and communal contributions, preparing them for the world of work and higher education. To ensure we support the overall growth and development of our students, we offer an extensive range of extracurricular activities, particularly in music and sport. We offer hurling, camogie, Gaelic football, soccer, basketball, and athletics, which is coached by international sprinter Miss Joan Healy. Music is pivotal to our school's culture. Music generation and music mashup allow young people to access high-quality performance education in their locality. Every year, the school produces a musical, directed by well-known Irish actor Ciarán Birmingham, and is showcased in Cork Opera House. Students also participate in Clár Tech Space, an education programme which focuses on STEAM and digital creativity projects, and Gael Bhratach, a scheme coordinated by Gaelin, which supports and encourages schools in their efforts to promote the Irish language. The School Completion Programme organises a daily breakfast club before school on campus. Students are also offered a healthy hot lunch. After school, supervised study is available and students are encouraged to attend.
I think it was the right choice for my son. I feel he's academic and they're very academic up here.
I love Irish, I love speaking it, it's a lovely language, and
it just feels different from primary because I'm speaking Irish all the time, and I feel like it's just going to be better for my education.
Especially for their personal development, I think they foster that up here.
The subject choice is something that I'm very happy with. I think that they literally can do whatever they want subject-wise. You know, there doesn't seem to be any limits on it, and that's something that's the biggest thing for me, is that my son is going to have the opportunity to do whatever he wants right up till 6th year, and hopefully with the guidance from the teachers and staff that he'll choose the right subjects and move on to bigger and better things afterwards.
Yeah, I love music and I love science.
PE and woodwork, they're my two favourite classes.
The classroom sizes are small. Your child will be looked after well, educated well. Teachers are lovely up here. There's great support.
When you talk about facilities, I like the fact that it's really focused. They feel that they've got their own kind of campus, and I mentioned Hillary on the way, and it's got that kind of like American high school vibe. You know, it's just really forward thinking.
Just everything about it is great school.
I have zero Irish. It was a worry at the start, I'll be honest. It was a big worry for me, you know, because to be straight up, you know, you question, you know, whether you're going to be able to kind of help them, whether you're going to be able to guide them. But the staff and the management, you know, they've been very hands-on with everything.
I think it's teachers are great.
Teachers are great teachers. They're very supportive, very helpful.
I would definitely recommend it because the teachers, they're lovely and they'll just help. They're like very supportive.
Even if your kid doesn't have the greatest Irish already, they will be guided, they will be helped, you know. So first thing is have a bit of faith and know that your kid can do it.
Do it, just come here, it's class. You'll love it here, really.
Rias anam dom, agus Thomas a cé blin. Is bralam alán rodí sa scoil. Tá méid déanamh alán ábhar nua. Is fearlam tíosc mata agus ada ganó. Tá lán cardia nua agam, agus tá na múntóirí cearachas cardia.
We invite you to consider the high standard of teaching and learning we provide here at Gael Coláiste Vicivna, supporting students to achieve their full potential through Irish language and culture in an environment of academic excellence. Please visit our website and social media accounts for further information, or call or email to arrange an appointment.
Fáilte chuig Gael Coláiste Vicivna. We look forward to welcome you all here next September.
We are very proud of our school ethos and culture here at Gael Coláiste Vicivna. Our mission is to foster learning and to guide and nurture all of our students in a caring environment. We aim to fulfil this mission in a spirit of collaboration and partnership with all members of our school and local community. Much research has been conducted in the area of immersion and Irish medium education. Some of the benefits associated with Irish medium education include increased self-esteem, increased educational attainment, improved communication and social skills, increased creativity, and the opportunity to receive bonus marks in the Leaving Certificate. Teaching and learning are at the core of what we do here at GMS. We aim to provide a quality school and classroom environment that is educationally, socially, and physically supportive of learning. Teachers use a variety of teaching methodologies and active learning strategies to ensure that all students, regardless of ability or learning style, are enabled to maximise their success. Our caring, dedicated and skilled staff are experts in their subject areas and achieve an excellent balance between challenging our students academically whilst ensuring that they care for their holistic development. Through continuous professional development, such as the Instructional Leadership Programme, they are highly skilled in identifying and nurturing the talents of our students and motivating them to achieve at the highest level possible. Our teachers have also researched the transition from primary to post-primary education as part of the PDST's Forward project. This has informed the collaborative first-year induction programme here at GMS. The Department of Education and Skills conducted a whole school evaluation of the college in the areas of management, leadership and learning. The findings of the report state that the quality of management and leadership, as well as teaching, learning and assessment, is very high. The college was also commended for its student supports. The full report can be viewed at www.education.ie. We offer a wide range of subjects here at Gael Coláiste Vicivna. Our core subjects are English, Irish, Maths, History and French. Much choice is provided to our students in selecting their additional subjects. We also offer 2 exciting short courses, Coding and Digital Media Literacy. We are very lucky to have such a modern and well-equipped campus. We have a number of specialised classrooms and a state-of-the-art sports hall. All classrooms are equipped with projectors, wireless internet and Apple TV, allowing for creative and innovative teaching and learning. At Gael Coláiste Vicivna, we endeavour to develop the whole person. As well as academic achievement, we promote the development of other skills through our extensive extracurricular and co-curricular programmes. All students are encouraged to develop a healthy and active lifestyle. A variety of sports are catered for, including GAA, soccer, and athletics, which is coached by one of our PE teachers, international sprinter Miss Healy. Music is pivotal to our school's culture. Each year, the school produces a musical which is showcased in Cork Opera House. In the bike project, students get a chance to develop their engineering skills by restoring motorbikes. Our students participate in Clár Tech Space, a current and innovative digital creativity project. Our students won an award for the best e-computing project at the 2020 Tech Fela. One of our teachers coordinating this project also won Educator of the Year. As part of Gaelin's Gael Bhreathach initiative, students organise and participate in events that promote our language and heritage in a fun and welcoming way. Our purple Gael Bhreathach flag is something we are very proud of here at Gael Coláiste Vicivna. Research shows that creative engagement leads to deeper student engagement and greater student ownership of their learning. We have been an iPad school since 2010. We have a superb wireless network infrastructure to support our innovative teaching and learning platforms and strategies. The Everyone Can Create programme guides students to develop and communicate through video, photography, music and drawing. This programme has helped to ignite creativity amongst our student body in fun and meaningful ways. The well-being of our students lies at the core of our school ethos. We have entered into partnership with Jigsaw, the Youth Mental Health and Wellbeing Agency, to support the mental health of our whole school community. Our student support team meets on a weekly basis to promote the moral, spiritual, social and personal development of our students. We also have many other student supports and initiatives, such as the Check and Connect and Mentoring for Achievement programs. The School Completion Programme hosts a breakfast club every morning from 8:20 a.m. and students also receive a hot meal every day. Student voice has an authentic role in the school's development. We are very proud of our links with the National Council for Curriculum and Assessment, and we have participated in projects such as the Erasmus Student Voice Bridge to Learning project. Students are consulted by school management and staff on curricular and non-curricular matters. Students are encouraged to co-construct success criteria with their teachers, thereby increasing their engagement in the learning process and improving teacher-student relationships. Students and staff have spoken about student voice at national and international conferences such as the ETBI Annual Conference. At Gael Coláiste Vicivna, we offer our junior cycle, transition year and senior cycle programmes through the medium of Irish. At GMS, we endeavour to ensure that our students progress to higher education and employment. The UCC Plus programme enables junior and senior cycle students to avail of extra free tuition after school and the possibility of receiving extra financial assistance when reaching the university. The CIT Access programme aims to positively support students in their transition from second level to third level education by helping them to make friends and develop support groups. We are privileged to be linked with these institutions. We look forward to welcoming your child to Gael Coláiste Vicivna. Application forms are available on our website. Please call or email us if you would like more information. We would also love if you followed us on our various social media platforms. Tá míid fíor bhródúil as our Bubble Scoile agus tá fáilte ó Croí Roimh go léir a bheith ling amach ansa.